everyone. Welcome to Inkpot Hub Media. My name is Anita Sharma, and I'm very happy to share one another success story of Vikas, who has recently joined IIM Indore in the fellow program in management. Hi, Vikas.
Hello, Nita ma'am.
I got to know that you are back on campus and you are enjoying the serene beauty of IIM Indore.
Yeah, the campus is really beautiful, and I think it's on the hills of
Uh-huh.
like Indore, so it's quite cold also sometimes here. Like it's a very good place to
So we
study and do it.
are,
And
so we so we are coming from the same institute, and I can relate the feeling, the place, and every other thing. So because you are an engineer, you did your B Tech, then M Tech, and suddenly you moved into the domain of management. Can you share more about your little background so that we can have an understanding that why the shift to management happened?
yeah, okay. So basically, my name is Vikas Chaudhary, and I did my bachelor's from Shreya College of Engineering in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So just after completing my bachelor's, so there was something in my family that you have to go to IIT because I have not cleared during my bachelor's. So there was a hunch ki karna hai. So
Huh.
I prepared for GATE during that time only, and in 2016 I got into IIT Bombay in
Mhm.
the Mechanical Engineering Department,
Mhm.
and by the God grace, and I have completed in 2018. So during the time only I got to know the the placement was good for IIT Bombay. So I got the placement in IPAC, Indian Political Action Committee,
Mhm.
and from there I got the opportunity to work in different elections that is
Mhm.
happening in India right now, like Delhi elections, Maharashtra elections. I worked in these two elections and Bihar elections also.
Mhm.
So during that time, I have seen the vast field of data analytics, and that field I have seen that what we can do today. Data is the new currency. So there I got the feeling that on this field I can grow. Like I wanted to grow. So that's why I have left the job in February after my Delhi election thing, and I have prepared for this. And by the God grace, I get into IIM Indore,
So
and here
elections,
I'm.
I mean, you are more into politics. So you have developed your interest in politics as well.
Yeah, like I like my birthplace is from Bihar. So
Uh-huh.
like as a Bihari, we always used to think about politics, kaisa hai nahi, because we are living in a place where the politics is in the blood. So there
Uh-huh.
was a hunch, and I got the opportunity, and I worked there. So it was a good experience in IPAC.
Uh, so coming back, so because why IIM Indore?
Frankly, if you ask me why I'm in Indore, in January I was having no clue what is FPM basically. A very few people, like for
Which
me
January?
person,
Like which January? Which
this
year?
January,
Okay,
January
January 2020.
2020.
Okay.
So basically, for me as a student who has doing the research for past 2.5 years, and for me I didn't know FPM because the flagship course of IIM is like 2 years MBA,
Uh-huh.
and in that place also we didn't talk about PhD in this colleges like the management colleges. So I didn't aware of it. I was aware that only PhD in IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, the top institutes of India, but I didn't know about it. So in January I came to know, and I've seen the prospectors and the people are what they are doing after completing their FPMs. So I was so much attracted towards it, and because my field was something into it, data analytics, and in I'm Indore there is especially two backgrounds, two of the things that is on data analytics they are working. So that is motivating me to I'm Indore, and I didn't know I should be getting selected IIMs. So I just filled up one form of I'm Indore.
Uh-huh.
Like I didn't fill up the other form like I'm A, B, C, and that
Acha.
most of the students do. So I fill up only one form, and I didn't know that. But
Uh-huh.
the date has been over. After that, I came to know that this is a very vast scope, and we can do a lot in this field.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
by the
that's
God
true.
and by the God grace, I prepared hard for it, and
So this question, like, how did you prepare overall? Because you thought you actually realized about the opening in January 2020, and I'm sure interviews happen in March, April. So very, very less time you got for your preparation. So 2 months, how did you prepare?
Frankly, yeah, like the last date was 23rd January 2020. I still know, and on 23rd January I filled up the form, completed
Yeah.
the form. So this was the first thing, and then I have lived the job because I've seen the vast prospectus of it. And after that, firstly I have started research paper. So the first thing come in mind because my past organization in IIT Bombay, where so there I have worked for on the papers. Firstly, you have to read the review paper, and I tried to grasp operation research department all that thing.
Okay.
But I didn't get a single concept after reading 10 to 15 papers. Really, it's just the abstract part I understand, but after that I didn't understand. And then for this, I called my seniors in this college I'm in Indore,
Uh-huh.
and they have somewhat informed me to just go through the basics, only this thing.
Okay.
And after that, for me, I think as I like mathematics, that is the one thing. As a Bihari also, from right, we are in the blood of the mathematics. So firstly, I have started reading mathematics. The mainly first part is statistics part. That is the base of operation research, operation department. So I have started reading statistics from YouTube. There is one channel of Khan Academy. There is a 70 lectures, and you have to cover it 70 lectures 2 to 3 times. So I did it the first thing on the statistics part. The second thing on the mathematics is on the calculus. And for preparation of calculus, you need to have a class 11, 12 NCERT book. That is really, really important. And like I tell you, you have to read each line in the statement. Like they will ask some question, they will not ask you solve this problem. They will ask the basic concepts of the calculus. That is the root of the thing. And the third thing is which is a profile. Why you have, for me, for people like me, I have a background in mechanical engineering. So they are looking for mechanical engineering mostly. Or if you have some mathematics or something analytics background. So my background was mechanical, and the second thing is my background was analytics somewhat. So these two things helped me to grasp the shortlisted criteria, and statistics, calculus, and job profile. These are the three things I have prepared a lot.
Okay. So during 2 months you prepared, then you got your interview call. You appeared for this interview online, maybe through some Zoom or Google Meet. Unfortunately, you did not get a chance to go to IIM Indore campus for your interview. But tell me more about your interview now. So how it happened and what kind of questions were asked?
Yeah, coming to the interview part, like it was on a Zoom platform first of all, and my interview was for 40 to 45 minutes, and I tell you, it was a mesmerizing. Like it was very much heartful. Heart bahar aa jata hai. You have to prepare. So like when I entered into the like just putting up, and the professor come, like my heart was outside. So that was the first, and there were 3 panels on it. And the first
So
panel
here panels means three interviews.
yes,
Yeah, okay, interviewers. Okay.
3 interviews. Interview one, panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. So panel 1 has started, and he has, like he sees me, like I am shivering, somewhat sweating was there because pressure was there, and I opened up only one form. So there was a pressure for it definitely. Yeah, I have to get into IIMs. And so the questions arises ki, firstly they have asked my profile, what is the background, and I think sometimes like a tag like IIT Bombay will give you some preference, but you have to prove it in the further round. So that was the first thing. And the second thing is ki they have asked my job profile. That is the first panel they are mostly focused on. So basically there were 3 panels, panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. And in the panel 1, mainly they have asked my job profile. And in the job profile, basically they have asked, my job profile is something like on the politics side. So I think everyone just got kya kiya, what is the different thing you have done. And they have asked, because I have worked in Maharashtra elections, Delhi elections, in last 2 general elections. So these are the 3 things, and I have told the like how I work, what is the basic thing that I have done, and in that part for 10 minutes I did it. This was the 10-minute goals, and then after in that part he just asked the statistics portion a lot. How you have collected the data, that the collection of data is very much important in research, how you collected the data. So like in this, 20 minutes passed away. So it was the panel 1 was somewhat okay, like I have given all the questions. coming to the second part. The second part was a probability section mostly, I will tell you. The first was a job profile, the second was probability. So firstly, they have asked me about the form I have filled up initially. In the form I have filled up one thesis proposal on which portion you like. So I have read something in my industrial engineering, and I have and a simply brief they have asked. They have not asked you to tell me about what you have done in the research in queuing theory basically, if most precisely. So one thing I wanted to point, read the paper but don't too much emphasize on reading the paper. Just have a basic concept of, for me, queuing theory. Just know the basics. What is queuing theory and what are the things that has been going on, and you can get it by reading one review paper. So that will be all. And in the second panel, the second thing he has asked, the probability part. And for it I have prepared it, and the probability part he has asked a very basic concept which most of the students just didn't get it. For example, I wanted to give one example, Bayes theorem, one of the examples in probability, and he asked what are the two assumptions in Bayes theorem. Most of the students didn't understand what is Bayes theorem. They know how to solve it, but they didn't know the basic crux of the Bayes theorem.
Okay, the conceptual understanding of it.
Conceptual understanding of the part.
Okay.
So that is the thing they have asked in the probability, and two questions they have solved. They have given me questions also, how you will solve it, some of the tricky part. And please go through for my department, operations department, puzzles sometimes they ask. For me, they have asked the puzzles. That is the second part. So in this way, 30 minutes have passed, and I somewhat survived. I was in a thinking, ठीक है, अच्छा जा रहा. So the panel third comes.
So वो जो आपका heart बाहर आ रहा था वो अब settle हो गया था. By that time, I think after 30 minutes, it got settled.
हाँ. So panel third comes, and suddenly panel third started with a screen, sharing a big mathematical question. I was, first of all, for 1 second I didn't understand what is written there, because it was a very big question and it was logarithmic of a ki power x, b ki power x plus c, something was there. So I thought first of all it didn't happen, but I think professor saw me and he asked, what do you think of this question? So basically the third section was calculus part that can be solved by the calculus. So initially part he has said what is the function, the basics of the thing, and then calculus part he has asked. And in the calculus part, professor went to that level that what is the difference between continuity and differentiation on the graphical part. So basically I wanted to say, again the conceptual part he wanted to say. The professor will never ask a very high profile thing. He will ask a very conceptual part, the question was tough, but the professor wanted to see how you approach the problem. That is very, very important. Solving the problem, they know it, but how to approach it, that is a very different, they are seeing in the thing.
Okay, so there are two things, Vikas, here. One is you are more towards operations area. Why you did not apply for IS area? Because the topic and the work background which you have had, it was more towards say data collection or all those aspects. So why operations? So that's another question which I am having because of the background which you have.
Operations department basically on the two pillars, operations, research, and on the statistical part. So I can have the option of both. But I think information science, I didn't have so much knowledge about information science skill if you ask me. But these are the two things which I like. If I wanted to work in operations, I can work in operations. If I wanted to work on the quantitative part, I can work on the quantitative part. So I have both the options in the operations department.
So because IIM Indore offers application in two areas. So you applied for one area, as you mentioned informally in our initial interaction. And yes, IS is one of the areas. So why I'm bringing this point here, because the potential PhD students will definitely have two options. So they need to understand their background, and based on that background, how these two areas they can apply for. I think, that's why I'm trying to bring this point so that they can have an understanding. Okay. So
ma'am, I would like to add one point here. While choosing which department you should, who is the what will be the first choice? I think the first choice will be for a mechanical engineering point of view. If someone is from mechanical engineering, right, first preference should be on the operations department. The second preference should be on the information science.
Okay.
That is the thing I will tell you, because I will tell you from 2016 department, if you go through our website only, 95% of the students is from mechanical engineering department, and the people who is not from mechanical engineering department is the people who has a very vast experience and who is inclined towards mathematical thing. So this is the operations department thing I can tell you in Ananda.
You have already mentioned that what a potential PhD student should do. Any other thing like in terms of how to handle the stress, how to handle the interview stress, or did you get any question regarding how will you sail through in another 5 years or 4 years, so to say?
Yeah, that was the question asked by the second panel in the probability section. So basically he asked, this is a course of 4 to 5 years. So, and it is a course, like it's your journey. It's something, it's not like our bachelor's, like our master's, that you can complete 4 semesters, 5 semesters, and then the things will be over. After your coursework, you have to write your own journey. This is your own journey, you have to write it. So the motivation factor, he has asked me, what is your motivation? So 2 motivations for me, especially if I told you. The first of the motivation was, I would like to give the society what I have learned. I come from my background is not so good, so I have worked hard. My father worked very hard, and he has given me some, because he knows what studies can give you. So this is the thing I wanted to give it to the society, and the best way is to teach the young mind. So that is my first motivation. And the second motivation is the love towards data analytics part, which I have gone through when I have seen the vast scope it is providing right now, and the future is definitely on the data side. So these are my two motivations, which I have said to the professor, and they have agreed it. So be prepared that what is your motivation to say.
Great. So I have 2 suggestions here to you to sail through your 4 years. One, maybe in 2 months you can go to Sayaji once everything is over, the corona thing goes away. Go to Sayaji, have lovely food over there. Go to Chappan Dukan, you will love it. And there is a nearby place which is called as Celebrations. You will love it. It's very close by to IIM Indore campus. Go and enjoy there, make lifetime friends, and I'm sure you will be able to sail through this journey. It's tough but doable. It's tough, but you'll have your lifelong memories from this place. After IIM, after IIT, IIM is going to give you lifetime friends. I'm sure it is going to happen. So it's not one again, another thing which I have learned in the FPM program, that this is not about competition. It's about coexistence, collaboration. That's why we all talk about these few words in a very frequent way, that you collaborate, you find coexistence, you find people who have like-mindedness. So competition is there, but definitely more towards cooperation and collaboration. So I wish you all the best, Vikas, and have a great life ahead. And if corona things goes away very quickly, I will definitely come and see you soon. Alumni meet is definitely going to happen, so we are going to meet soon.
Thank you, ma'am, for that.
Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye-bye.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.